Can't show y'all everything. But yeah, there you go. Speakers go in there. Grill go right here. Might put some lights in it. Little update. That's the mesh insert I got. So I just got that formed up. We'll take this out. I just gotta cut that out. Boom, boom, boom. And then boom. Right now it still look a little ugly. But y'all see it coming together. I'm gonna have a third brake light go across there. I'm gonna have LEDs up under here. And so LEDs going underneath there. Mock up. Test fit. Smooth. That about be smooth. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna wrap this motherfucker. Put the lights on it. That'll be it. I'll show y'all where I got knocked these little spots. I put screws in it from the bottom. I got a notch right there for the lights. Let me show y'all. I got another notch right there. Go over there. I got a little couple wrinkles on this jam. We gotta cut that pot out right there for the third brake light. So far, so good. A little wrinkles, but that's an update what we got so far. Yeah, press fit. Alright. That's a little test fit. The motherfucker ain't perfect, but it's in there. I wish I had it lit up so y'all can see it. Yeah. As you can see, third brake light back there. We got LEDs up in there, but I ain't got none of this shit hooked up yet. I'm just trying to see how it fit. This is the first jet. Little rough, but shit, look better than factory. And I have to come back and clean this shit up right here.